Hi, my name is Erwin and I'm the founder of a company called J29 Business Simplified. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Many of you may be in the process of planning to start a business, or maybe you're even in business at the moment planning to grow that business. And I know in so many cases we attend workshops or conferences and you hear all the exciting news about starting a business, just become an entrepreneur, start your own business. But when you actually go and try to do it on your own, there's so many challenges, from basic things like just how do you actually register business? What is the right business to register for you? And on this channel, you're going to find the simplest, most cost-effective way of getting your business started, growing, and online. So we'll be posting one video every week to give you information that's going to help you get your business up and running. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification so you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded, and we look forward to helping you get your business started, growing, and online.